What a gift. Feedback is a gift. Swear to God, I fixed that. Look, I'm going to copy it. I think it might be cool down. Cool down, cool down. It's the same message. Scourge, I put from 1 eye to 30 eyes in there. You're just too fast. Alright, hi everybody. Hello. Welcome. You got hit by the cooldown. I literally went through, what was I doing Saturday? I don't know. I took my ADHD medication. I was like, oh, I focused on putting eyes behind the SCH. And I put all of the commands in there because Nightbot is stupid. Yeah, no, it's thorough. If you decide to put 31 eyes, then I'm going to ban you. Ban you. You're banned! Oh, no, I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't see.
Hello?
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 I think I need to put new lenses in these. Hala, 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 hola, hola, ala, ala. So, hola, hola. Hola, we them boys. It's like 3 pages. Hold on. It's caught unawares. Oh yeah, you did. You can see it yourself. You can see it yourself. And I realize now that looks just ridiculous to other people. I don't care. This is a stream for us. It's not a stream for other people. 3 pages of shit. Now you know my threshold is 30. All right. This is too bright. Aaron, are you doing your charity stream? Is that happening? Are you still here? Do we need to promote it? I think you should adjust for inflation. I believe that you were very strong, but also that could be a lot of weight. Concerned for you. Pennies for pounds. Sunday. Okay. Everyone, I constantly forget how to do this. Is it shout out? Yes. I'm just used to doing it with Nightbot, but Aaron is doing a charity stream on Sunday. They usually streams late, but you give money and he will lift weights, and I'm assuming it will be worth it. It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it to show up for that one. It's always worth it to show up, but now that Honk is fixed. I was lurking one time when Honk wasn't fixed, and I was like, I don't know. Why am I here? I just need to go to bed. It's like if I can't engage thoroughly, then I just need to go to bed. It's late. It's a late one for me. Kind of. No, I admit it. It's silly. I'm silly. Your chat has like they have a vibe, right? Like everybody's got their inside jokes, you know. I have to figure out how to insert myself. Everybody's got a vibe. All right, so today I am doing some stuff. I want to make an overlay for Potato of the Week so I don't have to explain it every time. I kind of want to figure out That's true. Leah especially is just like that. I expect that from her. I know a few of your other regulars, but not quite as well as Leah. Well, Maddie, of course. Maddie isn't here yet, right? Alright, so I'm gonna make an overlay, and then I want to... Does anybody have a... I've been trying to find this. You know how some people do like they have a pixelated filter, and it is really nice. Because I'm always doxing myself. At least I used to be when I was doing more like, oh, here's my API key. Here's my database key. Rascal has just straight up disappeared from the internet. You know, you get a job and then you're just gone. Just gone. I know, I miss him. Never forget Scrooge. I bet if I message him on, or them, my bad. I messaged them on Discord. They could help me out. That's a good idea. Because I've been trying to find it through like the Twitch community. I think probably also, who is it? Finite. Maybe it's like an everywhereness. Like if you do too much everywhereness and then you have to like compensate with nowhereness, right? What was I saying? Finite. I feel like Finite probably has something, because Finite does all those things. Everybody knows Finite, right? All right, I'm gonna say make notes. Ask Rascal. Ask Finite. So there's like built-in filters for like webcam sources, but they're stupid. And they're all about like the aspect ratio, and then like you shrink it down and it gets pixelated, but that's not what I want. I want something different. Okay, so that is on the list. The other thing is my GitHub is sad. So I need to zhuzh. I need to zhuzh the GitHub. Some gentle zhuzhing. I used to have a to-do list on my other just chatting. What is the what else is everybody doing today? How's everyone's day going? What is... I feel like... well, I think I know what Grat is doing. I guess I just assume that... oh, lazy. Did everybody in the States have yesterday off? Hello. Oh. Well, that'll happen. That'll happen. Well, that'll happen. I've been doing a lot of dancing for fitness recently. I think I think it's doing something. I don't know. I'm sort of like I try to be body neutral, so it's just like ebb and flow, baby. Ebb and flow. You get what you get. I got really sick about 8 years ago, and it was a much smaller version of ship, and that was like scary. And I was like, maybe I should be grateful for having meat on my bones. So I try not to be controlling about it. But yeah. I do know the feeling of being like, wow, I barely keeping these buttons together. Data. So, Maddie, are you back at work? Were you on vacation? I feel like you were. Oh, sequel. Sequel script monkey. A work trip. Ooh, intriguing. My ADHD gets me about like 60% of what people say most of the time. Are you back to streaming this week? Did I apply to any of those jobs? No. I didn't. I saved. I think I saved 2 of them. Our ones from last week, from Thursday. From Thursday, the ones that were in the top right quadrant. Sweet. They were even though I liked the company and I thought I wouldn't hate the job, I don't think I was actually qualified for all of them. Do I still have it up? I don't know. Job quad. Let them decide. Yeah, they're very good at deciding. All of them. I still have your emotes, so I'm ready to just spam your chat with your emotes. It's just gonna be cats everywhere. You know what I really wanted was somebody to just like hit it out of the park. Oh, don't be nervous. Oh, okay, that would make, well, so when I was a cyclic, they kind of like hired me with the idea that I would do streaming for them, so I pretty much only streamed like things related to cyclic while I was there, and I didn't do my regular streams, and I felt weird about it. And so every time I streamed, I was like working, and it was weird. But now I just don't ever know if they're here or not, but I don't care anymore, so. I'm proud of them, though. They got their, yeah, I totally did. Hey, I did talk to them, though. I talked to Cam, and he fixed that email thing that you brought up, so thanks for bringing that up. He was, like, embarrassed about it. He was like, oh, shit. Well, they paid me all right, and so it was an honest exchange of being an influencer for money. So this is how capitalism works. So I'm an influencer, and then I influence people to at that point not pay any money to use Cyclic. So um, they got their money's worth, I guess. And then they changed their pricing structure. So now some people do pay money though to them. Influencer. I claimed it. I claimed it. Has anybody in the chat who streams, has anybody gotten like stuff from screaming or screaming or Twitter? I bet as a partner, Maddie, do people try to send you things? I just got this, not just, but the only thing I've gotten is this webcam. I got a webcam like middle of last year. It's pretty nice. Oh, just everyone knows, for no apparent reason, I added a medium lurk if you need it. Just to give you a little range in your lurk. So there's lurk, medium lurk, and super lurk. Yeah. Ah, Scrooge, god damn it. You have 3 pages. You have 3 pages. Ridiculous human. Well, that's a good one though. I'm gonna add that later. I think it was more from Twitter than streaming, because look, I don't even have 300 followers, so, but it works really well to answer your question. Hola. But I pretty much only use it on my old computer, and like I said, I don't know if I said this since you've been here, but my old computer is getting replaced probably this week. And I haven't been able to upgrade the software for the webcam. So yeah, so that's going real good. But for everyone who's really invested in my job search, I am currently upskilling in web accessibility so that I can have some opportunities in that arena. Because there just weren't jobs like the last few weeks of Q2. It's just been a deserted wasteland, and a few of my mentors recommended that. So I have been learning about WCAG and Section 508 and the like. Looking at Canva right now because we're gonna make this potato of the week. Yes, the last few weeks of Q2 right now. Basically all of June, I haven't gotten any calls back. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, that's still happening. The cruel passage of time. We could do we could do a competition on the like what's the cruelest passage of time example. Do I think it's important to have mentors in tech programming? I think that it is important to have perspective from people who have been in situations like yours before, or have weathered similar storms that you have not weathered. So you know, if I'm a medium-sized tree, like, it's good for me to chat with the big-sized trees because they can see further than me and they've lived longer. You know, that's like the sketchiest outline of an analogy, but like we can be in the same forest without, you know, taking each other's sunshine, and we can still protect each other. Yeah, I mean, I think sometimes it's a little bit like you get to choose who your mentors are. Like, they're not. Hopefully, you aren't picking someone who's mansplaining or bro-splaining or silly splaining things to you. Did that answer your question? I sometimes am like a little bit proud of, like, I have some pride about like figuring things out on my own, but I also think like it's good to get multiple opinions. Yeah. Like my friend from Chicago, she introduced me to her friend who also lives in Chicago, and he works at a agency, and he's like just having that kind of like friend connection rather than it being like someone random I met on the internet. Like, he's been in tech for his whole career, but is totally like into bringing up new developers, and it's very patient. I think it's just like you want to find that it's someone who's in it for the right reason, right? Like, there's a lot of people who are randomly on Twitter or Reddit or whatever, and they're just like, I have openings in my mentoring class for 2023, and I will like whatever give you all this opportunity or whatever. But then you find out that they're just like doing it. They're gonna charge you for something or want to upsell you or something, or then B, they're doing it to make themselves feel better, or they are just kind of like they don't have the best intentions at heart, and they really are just trying to make, like, I don't know, it'll make you feel worse in the end. So you really have to be like, trust your gut about who you're choosing. Alright, hold on. Yeah, it is his fault. It's very clearly his fault. Alright, I gotta think about how they want to do this. So my idea for this is for it to be an overlay kind of on this type of screen, where my maybe it will go on this screen, and it will be like potato of the week, potato of the week, and then there will be like a golden potato that like is in the middle, and it's like shiny, and it's like potato of the week. No, yes, okay. Shh. And then the rest of it can be the screen, because we want you to be able to see what the potato of the week is. don't know where my face would go on that page. I don't like these screen overlays are all... I don't know what you mean by that. Is that a quote from that song? Frank Ocean song? Meme? Okay. It's like, what's there other options? Overlay, panels, screen, stream overlay, webcam overlay. Whew. Maybe more like one of these. Well, these are looped. What happens when I download this? Like, what is this? Just trying to figure out what Canva's actually giving me here. Horizon, Poppins. I haven't done this on Canva before. I've made videos on Canva before, but...
A potato flew around my room before you came, excuse.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that was the whole thing. Are you kidding me? I haven't seen this before. Let me go back.
A potato flew around my room before you came, excuse. A potato.
Sorry. Okay. Well, everyone, you may see that again later this week. That makes you want to cry? What makes you want to cry? That I can't figure out Canva or the potato? I don't know what's going to happen to the video. Can I just take it out? Oh, so they want the video to go on top. I just want this to be like cut out. I want it to be blank space, like a PNG, like stupid. This is stupid, Canva. Just delete this whole page. Oh, okay. All right. Hola. Hola, are you in my Discord? I don't know who anybody is anymore. Come on. Come on. I almost wrote... Oh, that's fine. I'll put it in there for you. I just don't want to forget it. That's real. That's why I get off Instagram like every 6 months. And then I go back on Instagram for like a week. 2 weeks. And then I'm so annoyed at this right now. Take it off again. I took Instagram off my phone. I don't like this. I don't like what they're doing here. Not this one. What if these were mashed potatoes? Yeah, Reddit is tricky. Reddit is tricky for that reason because my city, my community has a very helpful Reddit. Like, why is this? I don't know. Giant traffic jam happening, and someone will be like, "Oh, it's because the vice president is here," and you're like, "Oh," or like, "Has anyone?" I saw a coyote outside last night, so I'd be like, "When was the last time somebody saw a coyote?" Is it unhinged? Ours is like relatively helpful because then the people are like, Where do I get good Ethiopian food in Durham? And people have like 7 opinions or like 12 because there's only like 3 places to get it. But then they'll tell you like all the times it was good and all the times it was bad. You know, I feel like I need Photoshop to do this. You know, I could probably do it in Procreate. Oh my god. I would have never posted it to the Reddit. I would be like, hey, where can I find an outdoor dance class? Hey, Esther Judith. Although people will be like, hey, where should I find a place to live? Because I'm moving here. And some people will be like, it's full. Don't move here. Stop moving here. Because people keep moving here and it's too much. The city wasn't designed for this number of people. We're full. Durham's full. All right. This is the best thing we have so far. Okay, so we're gonna try to work with it. Let's see how many potatoes we can get in here. I tend to go into like potato overload. But I don't try to get me to focus. The first stream I went to of yours, not to call you out. You just talked the whole time. So here's what's gonna happen. It's a frame, okay? So it's a frame. This is stream maintenance. Okay, I'm co-working. Simpsons intro. Yeah. Maybe we should just scrap this. Now it's just empty, and we'll just make a frame of potatoes. And see, go to background, because we have the gradients, right? How do I make a gradient? Background. We have the gradients on the potatoes, so we'll just choose one. Which one do we like best? Oh, probably some wild shit. Background. Oh, search background and backgrounds. Potatoes. Potato? No. That's offensive. That's also offensive. That's offensive. What city are we talking about? My city or Maddie's city? I am in Durham, North Carolina. So our Reddit, if you're so curious, is the Bull City Reddit, because we're the Bull City. And then, so make sure that Crystal's not texting me. Oh my god. Our city is trying to be the Pacific Northwest right now. It's just been raining nonstop. And then this week they're like spray washing the outside of our building, like, because we live in a townhouse community. You're coming to BC or Durham? Because it would be so random if you were coming here. But if you are, we should get coffee. What was I saying? Oh, I'm so glad. Okay. It hasn't rained at all for like a month, and then yesterday, all week, they're cleaning the outsides of the buildings, and it's just thunderstorm after thunderstorm. Don't come there. They're full. They're full. I know it was a typo, but fome is famine in Portuguese. Okay, finishing things. I hope you enjoy your trip. Also, yeah, I did finish that. And then potatoes background. Okay, we didn't find any potato backgrounds. Like I said, that's offensive to me. But I do want to do a gradient because all of my potatoes have gradient backgrounds, so it is thematic. I like this one. This one? This one. This one or that one? It's a threat. It's a threat. It's a threat. We're going to colonize Canada. That's what we do here. It's part of our MO. I love all their gradients. I just want to keep them all. It's for potato of the week. What do we do? I like purple to orange. Purple to orange. Do I have that on a potato? That's a minty potato. That's like if minty was potato of the week. Alright. I also think this could be great. Alright, so we need ones without backgrounds. I'm perfectly open to signing up for a Canva trial to make this good, but I think it's going to be okay without it. Everybody good? Are we all on board? Alright. Get your sweet potato green beans out of here. Alright, another question for the crowd. Should I put my potatoes in potato of the week? Or should it just be like photographic potatoes? Both? See what it looks like. Okay. Well, let's those are very similar. I kind of want to... Oh, I should flip it. Flip it. Flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. Where's the flip? How did I flip it? You want to flip. I know you do. I'll flip you. I can flip you. Where is the flip for you? Ah. No. Flip it. Flip it. I'm just not seeing it. Flip button. Yeah, where is it? I feel blind. I feel, does it say flip? Duplicate. Delete. Copy color. Duplicate. Delete. Lace. Link. Lock. Edit. Oh my god. Thank you so much. That was a struggle. Okay. That was a struggle. Stream brain. I'm gonna blame that one on stream brain. Let's lift these up a little bit. Send them back. Just have to perfectly layer the potatoes. Okay. Alright. So let's see here. This is a very good use of my stream, just so everybody knows. Uploads. It's just like it's kind of the wrong color. Okay, now I can change the color. Exactly. I like how Ola is just completely in it for every stream. Now I can edit the photo. Let's see. Oof. This is too light. Da, 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 da. Huh. It's too light. This one. Just a little bit darker. Retro. What do we think? Entertaining. Okay. Yes. All right. I'm feeling. It could be pizza party. It could be good vibes. It could be cheers. Pizza party? Is this too? Oh. Like the glow effect. I don't know if the glow effect's too much. Potato of the week. Do. Oh my god. Can you all see that? See it? No, that was the spray one. The spraying, the washing the side of the building. It scared the noodles out of me. Okay. I was like, what kind of rain was that? Woo! I did. Ghosts. Coyotes. That's what my stream title should have been. You're right. I should consult with you, Scrooge. Potato of. Oh, we're gonna have to resize this. Potato. Gonna duplicate. Week. Thanks, everybody. Hope you're all getting some work done. I kind of imagined it like on a marquee. All right. Well, yeah, I mean, you're all being so kind. Marquee, lights. Marquee, lights. Okay. What about this one? What if we just kept the party part? Oh, these are all okay. I have to delete. Ungroup. I just like this. I don't know how to make a rewrote party. Oh god. My commitment to potatoes is intense here. Okay. But if I do it like this, no one can read that. Okay, potato. I want to kind of curve it. Effects. Curve. Can I you just curve one side? I see. I can't affect the curve. Oh, I can. Oh, I see. Oh. And then I can do this. Potato. Yeah. Esther, thank you for the sub. Using those Bezos bucks. Appreciate you. Potato week. Look, you got your potato badge. It does work. Alright, I need to duplicate this. But it does work, I mean the badge. Because everybody else who subbed is broken. And by broken, I mean they are old. Just delete this one. Delete it. Delete it. Now it says potato, potato. Week. You know how it is. I feel like I need to screw it. This is annoying. Potato week. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. That's cool. Potato week. Alright, I need to make these wider apart. Where is that part of this spacing? Alright, so of the... Should we put of the in this color too, or in hustle? Let's try it. So put this back. Effects. Of the... Just turn the curve off. Turn it off. Oh. Great. And then make it tiny. Make it like 50. Too small? Of the... Okay, line height. Line spacing. Dit. And then I need to make it upright. Something like this. It's gonna take up too much space, though. I see what you did there. Alright, so then the video, like the whole stream, is gonna go inside of this. Is that gonna be enough space? Any other edits? Underrated comment. How do we pin comments? Say pin message. Oh no, you have to pin your own message. How do you pin comment? Comment. I have no idea how to do that. Alright, good call. This is, let's see. Antique. I think better. More natural color. These, I'm gonna take them down a little bit. Take them down to like 130, so we can fit them. We can fit more video in there. Did I say 130? I meant 135. And then I'm gonna scooch them together a little bit more. Well, the spacing. Spacing is a problem. You know what I want? I want some stars. Huh. Let's see. Do this. Duplicate it. What else can I do this with? Asterisk? Is there any way to like write? Is there like a icon text in the in here? Like wingdings? Does everybody remember wingdings? What a I mean, what didn't we do with wingdings, right? How can I find it? Canva font for icons. This is not helpful. This is not helpful. No, is there another word for that? Symbol? Font? Glyphs? Do use special characters? Yes. Ugh. It's not worth it, probably. Is everyone okay? I just have the same color. It's a really good color. I can match color though to shapes. Let's see. I don't know if I can make them glow though. What's a good shape? This one? Color. Document color. Copy. Am I not? Okay, hold on. This. Okay. Star. And then format. Ugh. You gotta make it glow. I wanna make it glow. Shape. That is the shape, okay. No. But I can make the potatoes glow. If I can't make the shape glow, we're pretty much sunk here. Effects. Yeah, the shape doesn't have effects. Nerds! Oh, I made it too small. Did I delete it? It's too squat. Is it too tall now? Tall, squat, tall, squat, tall, squat. Okay, okay. Does it look bad if they don't glow?
I'm a potato.
100%. 100%. I mean, it looks better with the icon, right? Shape. I can't put the shape in the font format. No. Make them like star outlines. I'm gonna need you to use more words. Ooh. Can I put this in the font? That's what I was trying to do earlier. Is that what you're saying? I think I'm like losing my mind. Take out the middle of the bagel. I don't understand what this is saying. Body. Why is that applying that to my shape? That is that. Shapes. Can you make the stars much? Make the only star outlines. Wish I could put the star inside of the font. Can't you like copy paste? Can you copy paste emoji into copy paste like font awesome? Yes. It's for potato of the week. Is that the same effect? Ooh. It's not doing it. Right? See the shadow? Oh, it's over there. What the hell? Hold on. Alright, hold on. Stop being weird. Okay. Alright, I think we found a way to do it. Okay. Just why is this so far away? I broke it. Okay. Is this okay with everybody? I don't think I really broke it. I think I only broke it when I tried to type in it. Like something about when you try to type in it, I hates that. Let me zoom out again. Potato of the week. This spacing is gonna make me. What? What are you doing? Very hard at work? I'm doing stream maintenance. Crystal apparently doesn't think this is serious enough.
I think it's very good. I just was wondering.
Yeah, I just have to see, that's the center of the page, right? Where is it? Don't rush me, Grat. So we all have to look at it for weeks and weeks and weeks to come. Considering that it took me... When did we start doing Potato of the Week? Distance between. The center of the page, distance between. Okay. There it is. It only took an hour, right? But I talked to you all for an hour also. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can install it and not break anything. So I'm gonna try it as a PNG for now. Wow. Wow, Canva, wow. Okay. I was like, what is that? No, it's just my download. This is gonna be boring for everybody for a couple of minutes while I put it here. So I'm gonna make a new scene. Potato of the week. I realize that potato of the week is actually player of the week for some people. So I hope that's not confusing. Alright, so we're gonna add a media file. It's PNG. No, we're gonna add a image. Background. Ba 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 ba. So then we need what is the display capture probably. Okay. Do we think? Okay, just keep adding things. I know this is very exciting for all of you. I'll show you in a minute though. See if we need to add anything else. Browser source. Chat. Make a little chat. Little chat. Whew. Wow, that is okay. That's fine. I think every time I put a new chat, it's whatever. Okay. And then we love our overlays. What do we think? I think this could be a little smaller. So the potato of the week will be in the middle. Make my face a little bit bigger. Yes. We can make the chat box a little bit bigger. And I can put my web cam frame. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll add the other pieces, but this will be something to go with. Okay. Sweet. Doritos Papa John's. Way to use a medium lurk. Oh, that's my old chatting. Gosh, you got me so confused, flustered. Dang. I gotta update my 2 user. Me and Nightbot, we aren't best friends. It's under development, you know. I swear, you know, I swear I get it right the first time, and then I don't. Way to test out the medium lurk, though. We like it. Now I gotta decide what it should say for hardcore lurk. Nightbot, are you just stop? Did you just stop working? It actually might be Nightbot. Nightbot. It's gone. It's not loading. Well, okay, so that's one thing done. Whew! Gotta move it down here, though. Potato of the week, potato of the week. It's good suggestion. So it's hardcore, so you're screaming it? Okay, I got you. I just think it would be more hardcore if you're just gone. Just gone. Would it be like a hardcore lurk if it's like making me reauthorize? So that's cool. If it also temporarily banned you. Wouldn't that be hardcore? Yes. Okay, we're same. Yes, same thought. Timeout. I think I can make Nightbot do that to you. All right, let me fix my medium lurk. 'Cause apparently that's it's not curly. It should not be curly. It's just regular brackets. Sheesh. All right. That seems like a fun adventure. Spam protection. Oh no. So what if I made it like a blacklist word? So so because you can like hold on. Let's see. I wonder if I can do both things, like temporarily ban someone and be used as a command. I don't know if I can test that. Because if you make super lurk a banned phrase that has like a 5-minute timeout, but it's also a command. All right. Who wants to try to break Nightbot? What is oh, it's a 5-second timeout for first offenses. But it's a secret hardcore lurk command. Ah. What is your what makes you feel anxious about that, Grat? It won't even be in the command log. It would just be a if you know, you know, because the custom message would be see a blacklist out. I happen to have been recently on Earstream, and people enjoy being banned or asking to be banned. I don't know why. Not forever, just temporarily. Timed out. Is that right? You have a timeout. Something you can like ask to be timed out. I don't know. Or I don't know. He just lurked. He just medium lurked. Can't ask him questions. Some people just like to be punished. Alright. We won't do it today. I think it's important to set it up in a way so nobody gets surprise timed out. Nobody should be surprised, because then they would feel sad and then wouldn't want to enjoy it again. I think we have a pretty low risk of alienating people, because I think the individual that would come into my stream and then want to hardcore lurk on the first stream. Plus you can put in a little custom message that says a hardcore lurk is a temporary timeout, so that you go do your work instead of listening to Should Be an Idiot. You want me to do Code Wars? Sheesh, I want to say Code Wars. Let's just, yeah. Superpower is not working for you today. But look, let's look at what we did already. Ah, it's so pretty. Alright, we can go to Code Wars. Let me find it. Doing more Code Wars. Yar yar. For lunch I had a soft pretzel and an egg. And I think that's really, really good fuel for this Code War. Code War fuel. I think I'm going to stick with Python. Unless you are feeling strong and you want to help me do it, because I think I've done all the 8 Qs and most, probably not most of the 7 Qs, but like a good pile, a good hefty pile of the 7 Qs. And I'm pretty out of practice with the Oh, well, then you should be helpful for Python practice. I'm just a little baby Python. I'm just a teeny tiny slithery little snake. Just a tiny one. I don't I don't like doing clocks. Wow, you're just Ola is here for the dad jokes today. It's just like rollover from the weekend. If we wanted to make a stream based project, we could do a potato dad joke compendium, like a Rolodex of potato puns. Alright, I don't want to do clocks, but I'm going to click on it anyway because I don't want it to just keep showing up. Where is the Python? Python. I thought I did this. Is there a question here? Write a function which returns the time since midnight in milliseconds. Right. The clock shows hours, minutes, and seconds after midnight. Okay. Okay, so we want to convert hours into milliseconds, minutes into milliseconds, and seconds is already in. No, seconds need to. So convert everything into milliseconds. Right? Enjoy your meeting, Scrooge. See how it's mathy. Stupid mathy. I think this is why I did not. I don't think I solved it in JavaScript. I was just like, forget this nonsense. These tests are like, I don't understand what, is it like binary? Like what? It's somewhere between 0 and 23 in hours. Somewhere between 0 and 59 in minutes. And somewhere between 0 and 59 in seconds. So when you look at the test, it's 0, 1, and 1. 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. Are these just like the stupidest tests they could have come up with? Ugh. Stupid. Okay. So how many milliseconds is an hour? All right, Ola. You can give me hints, but don't tell me the whole answer. What? So this is going to return. This is going to return. But I don't want to do it the other way. That's how I was going to do it. Don't you have to Don't you have to control for the constraints? No, you probably don't. I bet you $5 there's more than 2 solutions. Why do you have to multiply it by 1,000? Oh, because milliseconds. Great. Yeah, it's like I'm always going to want to do it the easy way. We're going to do it. We're going to do it Ola's way. Because once I see an answer, I can't unsee it. And then next time, we're going to give me a little bit more time to think about it. Wait, that's seconds. This is minutes. Minutes. And then you have to multiply the whole thing times 1,000. Well, I think I would have gone this direction, but I think I probably would have kept the 1,000 in there, and it would have been some pretty silly numbers. Right, because I was about to look up how many milliseconds are in an hour. Beautiful. This is how I was about to do it. That seems a little bit needless. Okay. Well, they did it like, is this like technically a memoization to like sort of set a variable and it's like over engineering this. Never in my life. Yes, I think your answer is more elegant. This is more like, why did they do it in that order? Also over engineered. All right. And no, too much math. What's next? Another beginner series. School paperwork. That sounds boring. Let's do it. See, this is the type of math that like I tested out of so I wouldn't have to do it anymore. Alright, your classmate asks you to borrow some paper, copy some paperwork for them. You know that they're in classmates and the paperwork has M pages. So how many blank pages do you need? So you just gotta multiply N times M, right? So negative, if it's negative what I'm saying is if it's negative, you get 0. So if n is... Okay, so I would set the space case first. How do we do it? What is the or in what's or in Python? Is it the or operator or is it Carayon? Welcome. You have like Python I was hoping. Antenna. It's like Python is happening and Kara appears. Is this 0? Else. Else this? Is this? Yes. Return n times m. It's like the little Python icon. You're like Batman, little Python icon just like appears in your screen, and you're like, oh no, I have to find it. This maybe will work. Woo! It's like I've coded something before, maybe. Oh, poor Delilah. Oh no. I'm sorry. I hope your data center recovers. I mean, yours is one line. I think that's the top. That's the top. Because it's one line, right? I just kind of think just noticed there's a bug on my ceiling. I kind of feel like the and maybe I'm wrong about this, but the exiting out with a 0 is kind of like a base case, so we should put that first. I will let someone who thinks about code more than me. Yeah, I think those are... I don't understand that. Why would we do that? Is that control for the 0? We could do it your way and just do it backwards. It's all the same, right? So my air conditioner is just like... I'm not gonna say on fire. That doesn't make any sense. It's just very efficient today. Okay. I think using lambda in this case is too much. I'm also open to hearing any feedback on that. Alright, cool. Yeah, why would we need lambda to multiply? Lambda is always a loop, is that right? No, it doesn't have to be. Does it? I feel like you use it with like a function, like a map function or something. Make uppercase. So this should be maybe straightforward. Alright, so this is a, to me this is just knowing where to put the things. So you just wrap it? Is that like that? This is like not too uppercase, like in how many milli? How many milli? 2 uppercase Python. Yeah, right? Okay. That should have just tested it. No. Ah. You put it inside. Oh. It's just like JavaScript. My bad. I'm not looking at this chat. I know. It's just like JavaScript. I don't know what I was doing. Something last week made me doubt myself on that. It's interesting to me when people rename it. Like, why did you need to type more things? This is a wild solution also. How did this solve it? I don't get it. Oh no, it's there. Oh, okay. Okay. Great. Everything's going well. I think it's just idiots trolling. Some arrays. I think it is some arrays. Some lists. There's like one. I hope that you have a very good meeting. Oh, a spicy meeting? Wow. Well, send Grat some potatoes. Celebrate the good meeting, Spice. Here, I got a panic basket. I don't know who that's from. And then I also have, this, oh, hold on. Madeline's Chaos Cat. It's extremely good. Yeah. I'm giving you applause in advance of your meeting. Hope that it goes well. Alright, so how do we sum an array? Reduce, basically. How do we reduce an array in Python? Am I gonna feel stupid? Probably. I don't know Python that well, so probably I will, but I probably won't, because I'm like, I don't know anything. I think it might be No, it's not in here. Is that sum? I hate it when I use find and then it doesn't jump to the second location. Like, what's the point of find then? Right? Like, you're not finding it, you're just highlighting it. And this is a massive web page. Massive! Alright. How do we sum a list in Python? Is this what it is? I love it, because JavaScript is not like that. Okay, oh my god. Is it like this though? A sum? Or do you have to put it inside? My ad blocker's not blocking anything. Oh, you put it inside. What is this? What is this callback though? What are you putting the 10 for? Oh, you can add to it. Silly. Silly Python. I think this is why people were like, oh yeah, don't worry, you can learn Python. It's not a big deal. It's not even a big deal. The biggest deal is not confusing them. But if you look it up, you're fine. Curious to see if there's other answers that aren't irritating. Is this even necessary? Because it I guess if it was an empty array, it would give you 0 anyway, right? I guess I don't know what the default would do if you get an empty array. So I'm guessing it won't give you a null or something. Is there a null in Python? It must have been one of their tests, right? Whatever. It didn't break it, so I'm not that worried about it. We want more. There's none. But not 0. I'll probably return to this later. So, okay, it's none instead of null. Does it do the same thing? So to be really good code, it was probably a good idea to include a like a condition for 0. Just wondering if that is something that could maybe trip you up if you get like deep into some Python and you're like, oh no, my code is broken. It's because none and 0 aren't the same thing. Are you playing banjo? Create a function which answers the question, are you playing banjo? I can't remember doing this. Alan, you would play sax. But do you actually play the saxophone? I played the piano. But when I was in band, I played the oboe. And I didn't actually have any other reason for wanting to play the oboe other than I wanted to be unique, which I did. I did manage to appear relatively unique by playing the oboe, and then I also, no, they are nothing to mess around with. They are a pain in the freaking neck. Oh God, yeah. And then a girl I had a crush on was an oboe player, so I was like, dang, I better play the oboe. And then she switched to the cello, which, if we're being honest, the cello is like 10 times hotter than the oboe. But my parents were like, no, you're into it now. You're in it now. Like making reeds, making double reeds. Because my oboe teacher was like, well, at a certain point, you just have to learn how to make your own reeds. And I was like, is this that point? Narrator, it was not that point. It was never that point. Sorry. I was pretty good at the piano, though. Yeah, I really like playing piano. Jazz piano, classical piano, unfortunately also church piano. But the banjo, I never played the banjo. So here we are. If your name starts with the letter R or lowercase r, you are playing banjo. Talking about the oboe made me forget how to code. So we're testing for the letter R in the first, the 0th index of name. Q's. I think it's C. I think it's the QUE is just a line. It's a line. But Q is like an audio cue. Yeah, PTSD from church made me, well, and double reed instruments also made me forget how to code. Okay, so we're gonna do if statements. So if name I don't know the Python for this, like, well, we'll test it. And then I'm just sketching this, so then, you know, whatever the condition is, then we'll return, oh God, return, oh my God, plays banjo, and then else return, there's a sax, does not play banjo. I need a plus sign, banjo. This could also be a ternary, probably. Alright, so if name, so we're just gonna test for like the letter R at is it just like name right? R or is this gonna be okay? Is that sufficient? But we could also just do it like if we just do it like can you just sorry, asking questions to like upper and then do that equal R. Because then either way it would equal. Oh, was it better though? Because this is shorter. Scrooge. Okay. All you missed was me telling everyone about how I played multiple instruments as a, I don't know, young person. Oh, that's always fun. I mean, usually good. We're back to code warring. We did our design. We talked about banning people temporarily. Gratcan didn't like it. I thought it would be fun. Oh, that looks more of a what's it called? A template literal approach, right? That was your idea. to time people out if they want a hardcore ban. It was our idea together, actually. Not hardcore ban, hardcore lurk. Yes. Just like a data analyst. Alright, I have to end on time today. So, I don't think Pri would even know. A, because she's not gonna hardcore lurk. B, if someone does hardcore lurk. Oh, just if someone does a hardcore lurk, they would get timed out, you know? Because they don't want to be distracted, so they get timed out. So they're not tempted. That's all. So the command hardcore lurk would time you out. That's all. We're trying to expand our offerings for lurkers since most folks are working during my stream. Because why not? Because the world is our oyster. Because Twitch is our oyster. That's kind of awful. Does anybody have a suggestion of who we should stream or raid? Raid suggestions. Get them in now while it's hot. You know what? I told you I gotta end on time today. I'm hungry. All I had was a pretzel and an egg. I probably once I get my new computer, I will never end on time, so you can look forward to that. Yes. What?
Oh, I thought you were gonna go later.
No, it's. I'm hungry. Always with the positive vibes. And needing a snack. Go out and touch grass. All of our grass is underwater, so I won't be touching any grass today, but seriously though, is there anybody you want me to go say hi to? I mean, it's just... You're all way too chill for this. I can go see what... Even if you don't stick around, just hang out for the raid. Also, I guess I get like did I raid Purple Elf in a while? Purple Elf? Purple Elf. I don't know. I think you're chill, Alan. Chill in spirit. We'll read them. I like their energy so much. Just so everybody knows, Maddie's back tonight on stream, and so make sure you go see Maddie. I'm hoping Chrissy's back tonight too. Sorry, my toe is itching. And I will see you all. I don't know. Thursday. Is it just one E? I didn't know that Twitch is keeping track of all of my raids, so I'm just like, because I'm an overachiever, I'm just gonna keep raiding people. Go say hi to them. They are working on Gumroad and Flexile. I don't know what any of those things are. Well, thanks for coming through, Kara. I hope that your data stuff fixes itself, plugs it back in. And Thursday, I'm going to try to do some other stupid nonsense with jobs, or maybe I will try to fix one of my websites to make it more accessible. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, man, that's a long time. All right, everybody. See you soon.